Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the rig is stable and safe. Park on a firm, level surface, set the parking brake, and chock wheels. Once done, check the battery voltage. If it reads under 12, 4V charge first because weak power slows motors. Make sure the control panel and remote are connected and that the manual override is accessible. Now power the stabilizer system on and look for status LEDs, so you know the controller is responsive before you lower any jacks. You'll lower jacks in a methodical pattern. Pick front or rear mode and start at one corner. Use short bursts on the control to move jacks until feet just touch the ground. You want slight load, not full weight. Once each corner contacts, cycle to the next so the frame settles evenly. If you need to adjust height, do small increments and recheck level. Make sure to monitor motor sound and temperature. Long continuous runs indicate binding or low power. You finish by snugging each jack. Lower about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch to take slack without stressing the frame. Once done, secure the control panel, stow the remote, and recheck that all feet have solid, flat contact points. If the unit refuses to move, the most common fix is power-related. Check fuses, battery voltage, and wiring connections first. If motors hum but don't turn, use the manual crank per the manual to prevent damage while you
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.